Steel Power is marketed as a men's health supplement that claims to enhance male performance, increase stamina, and support overall vitality. The marketing can make the results sound dramatic, but the real question is, does it actually improve male performance? Now, to be fair, some ingredients commonly found in men's performance supplements, such as L-arginine, ginseng, maca, or zinc, have been studied for their potential health benefits. However, dietary supplements are not a substitute for proven medical treatments. What it does well, convenient to take. A daily capsule is easy to incorporate into your routine, may provide nutritional support. Depending on its ingredients, it may contain nutrients associated with normal male health. Where the hype falls apart, it's not a miracle performance booster. No supplement can guarantee dramatic improvements in sexual performance or stamina. Evidence varies by ingredient. Even if individual ingredients have been researched, that doesn't prove the finished product delivers the advertised results. Results differ from person to person. Age, overall health, medications, and lifestyle all affect whether someone notices any benefit. So, should you buy Steel Power? Short answer, maybe, if you're looking for general nutritional support. If you're interested in trying it as part of a healthy lifestyle, it may be worth considering. But don't expect it to dramatically improve male performance on its own. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.